What's up, all my tech heads, tech guys on all my tech channel sort of stuff? I have a question. So all my tech guys that, have computers, all that sort of stuff, I am upgrading my computer. I'm not asking what your opinion is. However, what I am asking is what you think I should upgrade to and what you would watch, which is simply, I am thinking of getting a 5070, upgrading my entire rig, or I might go the AMD route, maybe get something like a 6700 XT, maybe doing benchmarks about that. What do you guys think? What do you want? And no, I can't buy both. I'm not a mega rich man. However, if you're someone's willing to donate $1 million, this could be changed. So what do you guys prefer? AMD, Intel? Which benchmarks do you want? And we'll see you guys soon.